Itong hakbangin na ito ng ating gobyerno, particular ang Philippine Coast Guard, in collaboration and exercise with the Vietnam Coast Guard. Napakaganda po kasi at least magkakaroon tayo ng regional cooperation between ASEAN nation. And being an ASEAN nation also, na maganda na magkaroon tayo ng at least yung isang direction, no, which is a rules-based na yun ang approach ng Pilipinas. And we hope also that the Vietnam Coast Guard, particularly the Vietnam government, will also do away, no, or follow with the Philippine government in enhancing or following the rules-based approach dito sa West Philippine Sea. Kaya nga po dito natin ginawa po yung exercise, no, within the territorial waters, 12 nautical miles, but we are facing the West Philippine Sea po sa likod. And hopefully hindi po maging gano'n naman ang kanilang trato rito. And sabi ko nga po kanina, this is purely a humanitarian exercise or a humanitarian mission po on both the Philippine Coast Guard and the Vietnam Coast Guard.